So guys, we have a hurricane coming and I'm gonna get ready for it. I still have classes, but the hurricane's not supposed to hit us till Thursday, so I should be fine until then. So I'm trying to get as much water as I can, get stuff that doesn't need to be microwaved or cooked, so like ravioli or pot tarts or whatever. Yeah, sorry I sound like this. I'm actually really tired because I didn't get no sleep yesterday, but it's slightly raining right now, but not really. It started raining, so I hurried up and ran to my room like, I'm not getting wet, you ain't about to get me. But yeah, I'm about to go get some more water because I don't know how hard this hurricane's gonna hit. And yeah, your girl is not playing. These are all empty. But we have water over here. These are full. We got some more water down there, whatever. But I'm gonna get some more water. Yeah, these are empty, but I'm about to go. I know you're not supposed to like reuse bottles, but like everyone took all the water at the store, so like yeah, I'm just gonna have to refill these boys up, and it's gonna have to do for that for time. Oh, I thought I lost my keys, but I'm about to go fill up these water bottles because like I think that's like the smartest thing to do, because everyone took all the water at the store. Because we only have like a main Walmart where like everyone shops at, so like all the water there is like gone. So we're just gonna refill some bottles up. And don't y'all be coming for me in the comments saying you're not supposed to be refilling bottles up. You're not supposed to be refilling bottles, but like it's a life and death situation, you know what I mean? Like I gotta do what I gotta do to survive, you know? Surviving that hurricane in college. 101. Okay. Guys, I'm heavy scared. Hopefully no one sees me doing this because like yeah. I'm just gonna be here for a while. Put them back in my bag. I don't mind. We have this little filter water thingy, so let me show you guys. Yeah, we have this little filter water thing, which is really nice. So I don't have to like worry about like dying or whatever. So like it's filtered, you know. I had this in high school. Pretty cool. Guys, I have so many water bottles because I drink so much water. So like, you're not supposed to refill them up, but like I said, all the water is gone everywhere else. Guys, my bag weighs like 50 pounds. Guys, I was struggling to freaking get my dorm room to open, like being extra. But like yeah, I'm trying to survive this hurricane. I ain't trying to die, so I need as much water as I can. But I don't know like where exactly the hurricane's gonna hit, so like we gonna just prepare just in case. Like we gonna prepare for this hurricane just in case. Who is trying to die? Not me. So yeah, we got some water. I'm gonna show you guys how much water I just like filled up in a matter of like 5 minutes. Let's look at this. Oh, y'all look at all that water. Hey.
Water, yeah, water, goddamn, water, water, okay, water, what, water, drip, water.
14 bottles in total, but plus the ones I have in my refrigerator, and plus I have another case of water right there. So we are prepared for this hurricane. So food, luckily I stocked up last week, but I didn't know the hurricane was coming. So you can call me like I don't know. I didn't know the hurricane was coming, so like I already stacked up on food. But I probably need to get more because like, you know, who doesn't like food? So I potentially like messed up my bag because, you know. Really? I left one water bottle. We're just gonna forget about that one. But at least we got a lot of water. It doesn't matter about that one. That one's okay. I still have to drink some for today, but we're gonna, what's that word I'm looking for? We're gonna be cautious about all the water we drink. The East Coast is struggling. Guys, I'm like in the middle of Virginia, so like we getting rain, but the East Coast, I'm not on the coast of Virginia, I'm like in the middle, you know. I probably put a map right here to show you guys. I'm like in the middle, but like this is not okay. Like, here's my all little cute pens. These are cute. These are cute. Comment down below if you like to color code your notes, because honey, let me show you an example. Since a girl is a rising elementary school teacher, my teacher, she does like a lot of color coding stuff. She likes to color code her notes per se. So like I like to code my notes too. We love a color coding sister. Here we go. Fudge. She's cute. She's cute. I'm kidding. But like, yeah, a color coding queen. Look. Y'all, we are legit doing fractions right now, and it's so slight. Easiest math class ever. Easiest math class ever. But guys, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog by saying, if you're in the hurricane right now, please, especially if you're on the East Coast, get water, get food. You don't have to warm up. If you evacuating, please bring your pets, because you don't want to leave them behind. They're people too. Just be safe. I'm gonna be safe. Our campus is not evacuating. Don't ask me why. I don't know. We're just coping, you know. We're just living with the fact that we're about to be in this hurricane. So like, I'm gonna take all the safety measure I can, because I'm not trying to die. So with that being said, like, comment for the water. Like I said, don't come for me in the comments for this water. I know you're not supposed to refill it when you use it, but you know, yeah, I'm on survival mode, so like, we're gonna do what we had to do. Like, what's good, what's goody. But like, comment down below, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow with another video, maybe.